welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free TRX directly to your faucetpay account. And when you reach the minimum on your faucetpay, you're going to be sending your earnings directly to your trustwallet account without any investment. And when I say no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. It's all free of charge. So guys, follow me to the end of this video so you too can also start earning some free cash for yourself. So welcome back guys. Please and please, you know you enjoy what you'll be doing on this channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box, it's going to be bringing you to this place over here. All you need to do is to tap on the register button, which is over here. Then you fill in your necessary information, and which won't take much time, and after that is done, you go ahead and log in, and that's what I'm going to be doing now. After your registration, all you need to do is to log into your account by inputting your email and your password. So after that is done, you're going to be logged in into your account. So guys, when you log into your account, as you can see over here, this is my dashboard and this is what I have left on my balance. So guys, I've been making use of this site and making withdrawals, and it has been paying really well. So guys, to do this, all you need to do to earn, as you can see, this is my balance which is left over here. I have 0.09 TRX which is left here. All you need to do is to earn is to tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and when you click on it, you're going to be seeing some ways to earn over here, which is by claiming faucets, auto faucet, short links, tax, PTC, lottery, advert, and the rest of them. So guys, when you tap on the claim faucet, you're going to be claiming faucet every 5 minutes, and this is the amount of faucets you're going to be claiming, a total of 800,000 Satoshi of TRX. Now when all you need to do, when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing this over here. All you need to do is to tap on collect reward, which is here. Now when you tap on collect reward, your reward is going to be allocated and added to your balance immediately. So guys, as you can see over here, mine has been allocated. As you can see, 800,000 Satoshi of TRX has been added to my balance. Now to also earn, when you tap on the three lines again, you're going to be going to the PTC ads. As you can see over here, I have one ad left to view. Now when you tap on the PTC ads, you're going to be viewing some ads for some seconds. As you can see over here, to view these ads for 15 seconds, I'll be receiving 300,000 Satoshi of TRX. Now all you need to do is to tap on the go button, which is over here. Now when you tap on the go, it's going to be redirecting you to a site, and you're going to be waiting for 15 seconds. As you can see, the timer is already counting here. So after your earnings has been allocated to, you can also earn by doing some short links. As you can see, I have over 28 short links available for me, and you can do this and earn a total of 56 million Satoshi of TRX, as you can see over here. So guys, this is how you can earn. Also, to increase your earning, when you go to your dashboard, when you tap on your dashboard, you're going to be seeing your referral link. As you can see over here, this is my own referral link. All you need to do is to tap on the referral link over here, and when you copy your referral link and share to your friends, you're going to be earning 20% of their earnings. So guys, this is how you can earn. And to withdraw, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen and tap on withdraw, which is over here. Now when you click on withdraw, you're going to be seeing this over here. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to be withdrawing TRX. Now when you tap on this is TRX. All you need to do is to tap on it. Then you scroll down. This is the amount which you are going to be withdrawing. Then you are going to be imputing your faucetpay TRX email address over here. Then you come down here and verify this captcha which says you are not a robot, and after that is done, you're going to be withdrawing. So guys, this is how you can earn for free on this site without any investment of any kind. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video and you like what we've been doing on this channel by posting updates on how to earn free cryptocurrency, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.